In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional resume with Kickresume. We'll go through the full process from setting up your account to exporting a polished PDF that's ready to send out with your job applications. This is a simple workflow, and it's especially helpful if you want a resume that looks clean, reads well, and works with ATS systems, which are the applicant tracking systems many employers use to scan resumes before a human ever sees them. To begin, go to kickresume.com and create your account. The sign-up process is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll have access to the resume builder and template gallery. If you're doing this for the first time, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard so you know where your resume tools and editing options are located. Once your account is ready, the next step is to choose a template. As you browse the gallery, look specifically for an ATS-friendly design. This matters because some resumes may look visually impressive, but can be harder for automated systems to read. An ATS-friendly template usually has a clean layout, clear section headings, and simple formatting. Choosing the right template at the beginning saves time later and helps make sure your resume is both professional and practical. After selecting your template, it's time to add your information. You can either import your LinkedIn profile or enter your details manually. Importing from LinkedIn can be a great time saver, especially if your profile is already up to date. If you prefer to type everything in yourself, that works too, and it gives you a little more control over how each section is written. Whichever method you choose, review the content carefully to make sure your experience, education, and skills are accurate and relevant to the type of role you're targeting. Next, use the built-in AI writer to improve your resume content. This tool can help you create more polished job descriptions and stronger bullet points by turning basic information into clear, professional language. It's especially useful if you're not sure how to describe responsibilities, achievements, or results in a way that sounds concise and effective. As the AI generates content, read through it and make sure it still reflects your real experience and your own voice. When everything looks complete, export your resume as a PDF. This format is widely accepted, keeps your layout consistent, and is usually the safest option when submitting applications online. Before you send it anywhere, give the final version one last review to catch formatting issues, awkward wording, or missing details. That's it. You now have a polished resume created in Kickresume and ready to use.